Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set up the two Face IDs on iPhone. An important note, you can't add two separate Face IDs on an iPhone, but the Apple lets you set up an alternate appearance. This can be your second look for another person's face, and here's how to do it. First, you can open the settings and scroll down and tap the Face ID and passcode. And then here, enter your passcode and tap Set up an alternate appearance. You need to follow the on-screen steps to scan the second face. And once done, both the original and alternate face will unlock the iPhone. And this works if you want to add your partner, sibling, or anyone else that you can trust. Note that only two faces total can be stored, your main Face ID and one alternate appearance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.